Hello, little engineers! Today, we're exploring amazing simple machines, gears and levers. Let's learn how they work. Look at these amazing simple machines. They help us do big jobs easily. What are they? This is a gear. Gears are wheels with teeth. They fit together, turning each other. When one gear turns, its teeth push the next gear. This makes things move. Gears can change direction. If one turns clockwise, the next turns counterclockwise. Gears can also change speed. A big gear turning a small gear makes the small one spin faster. See this bicycle? Gears help us pedal and go faster or slower, up hills. In a clock, tiny gears work together to make the hands move precisely, telling time. Even toys like wind-up cars use gears to make their wheels spin and race forward. Gears are everywhere, from blenders in kitchens to huge machines in factories. Now, let's meet another super simple machine, the lever. It helps lift heavy things. A lever is a strong bar that rests on a pivot point called a fulcrum. When you push down on one end, the other end lifts up, making work easier. Levers have three types. This is a first-class lever, like a seesaw. With a first-class lever, the fulcrum is in the middle. Push down, lift up. Next, a second-class lever. The load is in the middle, like a wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow's wheel is the fulcrum, making it easy to move heavy things. Finally, a third-class lever. Your arm is a great example when you lift a spoon. With a third-class lever, the effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Think fishing. Scissors are two levers working together. The pivot is the fulcrum. A crowbar is another powerful lever, helping workers pry open stubborn things. Even a bottle opener is a clever lever, making it simple to pop open caps. Levers help us lift, push, and pull with less effort every single day. Wow! We learned about gears that turn and levers that lift. Simple machines make tasks easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.